guys, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Bluesky app. I'm going to demonstrate it on Android, but you can follow the same steps for iPhone as well. First of all, you need to go to Play Store or an App Store if you have iOS devices. Once you are here, you need to tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now go to search bar and search for Bluesky app. Once you find the Bluesky app with the butterfly icon, tap on it. Now you can see install option for the Android and get option for the iOS devices. So tap on install or get. Once you do that, the app will automatically start downloading. So wait for a while it's getting downloaded. Once it is downloaded, it will be installed automatically on your phone. So wait for a while now for installation. After the installation, it might do a security scan on your phone. And once the security scan is done, you can tap on open and start using the app. So this is how you can install Bluesky app on your phone. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thank you for watching.